Hi there, I'm Dan from Bbqland, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in the UK and Hertfordshire. Today on this cook we're going to be using the Kamado Joe Classic 2 and we're going to be doing some shawarma kebabs with homemade flatbreads, and we're going to be using Angus & Oink's shawarma rub and a little bit of garlic butter rub on the flatbreads. So let me bring you over here and I'll show you how to set the grill up and we'll go from there. So we haven't got much charcoal in the bottom there, it's barely filling the basket at the bottom. So we've got obviously some of our old charcoal as well as some new, because again with these cookers they just, you know, they don't use much charcoal, so you can reuse the charcoal that you've got left over. So we've got a couple of firelighters in there, bottom vent right the way open. We're going to leave that for around about 10 minutes until the charcoal catches, and then we can get our divide and conquer system in place. Now our charcoal is nice and hot. We're going to drop our divide and conquer system. We've got our deflector in the bottom position, the grate on the top, and then we've got a grate on the lower position. This gives us the option to move things around. We're going to shut the dome, open up the top vent, and we're going to bring it up to temperature. I'm looking for around about 200 degrees, 190, something like that, and away we go. So right, we've got around about 200 grams ish of lamb mince, and then we've got our Angus & Oink shawarma rub. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that in. Get that all nicely combined. Just gonna eyeball it, split it in half, and then I'm just gonna roll them into little sausage shaped kebab type things like that, like so. Right, that's them done. Just going to knead it. I'll just ball them up and roll them out. So now we're up to around about the 200 degree mark on the temperature gauge. We're going to get our lamb kebabs, place them on there. Right, well, we've been about 5 minutes. What we're going to do, we're going to flip them over, because now giving them that little bit of time has just helped keep their shape a bit better, so we can get them over the direct fire. Close the dome down, and you're going to get a lovely flavour from when the fat's dripping down on the charcoal. Right, it's been a few more minutes, you can see, nice and smoky. And look at that colour. It's going to be lovely and tasty. So we're going to give them a flip, close up the dome, and give them another few minutes. Right, we've been another few minutes. We're going to check them, the temperature with our thermopen. Because it's mincemeat, we're looking at 74 degrees. Right, around about 55, 54. About 57 on there. So we've got some nice colour on there. So we're going to transfer them up there. Right, as we've moved them over there, what we're going to do is get our flatbreads. We're going to go straight on the grill like that, and then just wait. As you can see, we're starting to bubble up. Give it a nice flip. So I've got a bit of melted butter. I'm just going to put on the top there. Coat that flatbread, and then I've got the Angus and Oink garlic butter. Just going to chuck a bit of that on there. Right, we've given that another flip. Bit of the melted butter. Brush that in. And again, a little shake of the garlic butter rub. Looking good, isn't it? Right, let's check these. There we go, 74, 75, brilliant. I'm going to take these off. And there we have it. Beautiful lamb shawarma, kebabs and homemade flatbreads using shawarma rub and garlic butter. So guys, that's all wrapped up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out bbqland.co.uk, check out our Instagram, our Facebook and also our other YouTube videos where we will do walkthroughs, cooking demonstrations, etc. all on barbecue equipment that Bbqland sells, as well as accessories, rubs and sauces. So go over there and check them out. I'll see you next time. Cheers.